Is Dragonfy better than Call Financial? Ito yung tanong ni Gian, so tara, sagutin natin. By the way, Mike nga pala of Stocksilog, where I teach you how to make money sa stock market. A quick answer here is yes, Dragonfy is better than Call Financial in certain ways. Just in case you're wondering, Dragonfy and Call Financial are what we call stock brokers. Kailangan mo ito kung halimbawang gusto mong mag-invest sa mga company sa Philippine stock market like sina Jollibee, SM, Globe, PLDT, at marami pang iba. I have both Call Financial and Dragonfy, so here's my take. Ang maganda kasi kay Call Financial is isa sila sa parang pinaka-original dito sa bansa pagdating sa stock brokerage, and ang dami na kanilang client base. But the advantage stops there already. Now, Dragonfy is quite new, pero solid din naman sila. User interface, top-notch. Yung pag-fund ng account, much quicker, much better. And the best thing of it all, meron silang mobile app which is available in Android and in iOS. So kung halimbawa gusto mong mas convenient way on how to invest, then kay Dragonfy, meron sila neto. So if you have tried any of them, what do you think? Or kung may mga stockbrokers pa kayong ginagamit, pa-comment din naman below.